What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and we have to go over an altcoin that has 100x potential, right? And this altcoin is none other than FEG. So yes, FEG, FEG token, which stands for Feed Every Gorilla. So this is a token that is actually really solidified inside of the crypto community right now. They have a lot going on for it. Like for one, the whole thing with the whole Feed Every Gorilla, look at what they are doing over here. So let's go straight over here. They become an official sponsor of PSA, or PASA if you want to say. So look over here. PASA is Pan-African Sanctuary Alliance, and they're an official sponsor of them now, and they were founded in 2000 inside Uganda. So this is the Pan, or the PASA as they call it, the PASA, which is the Pan-African Sanctuary Alliance. So this is what they're doing. They're out here saving primates inside of every single region. They're out here inside of Africa saving primates all the time. So this is pretty good news that we're actually sponsored with them. So right, they're sponsoring them. So the Pan-African Sanctuary Alliance, PASA, the largest alliance of wildlife centers in Africa, is proud to announce that FEG, Feed Every Gorilla token, a cryptocurrency project, is now an official sponsor of the organization. A fund over $1.1 million in the cryptocurrency was secured in a digital wallet of PASA, and the organization will receive monthly payouts from this fund. So kind of similar to what Shiba Inu did. I know I got a lot of Shiba Army on here. Kind of similar to what Shiba Inu did. They donated it to a fund, and then yeah, that's pretty much what they did. And now people are getting on board with it because they're doing good things in the world. So they're not just, you know, a no use case crypto, because we got a lot of other stuff that we can do. We can stake with this, and we're going to talk about that sooner or later. But yeah, this is pretty good news that we're on here. It says, we couldn't be more thrilled to have FEG token as a sponsor, said Greg Tooley, executive director of PASA. Their commitment to primate welfare is impressive, and they represent a new way to support conservation work. We are excited to be entering this new space with them. So it's actually becoming a new trend that crypto companies and crypto exchanges, whenever they make a crypto, right, they donate this to another organization, and then that organization kind of backs them, and now they have they're like solidified inside of the social community world, right? So this is actually pretty good news right here. Like, this happened about a couple weeks ago, or I think 1 week ago, something like that. But this is still very good news either way. So really good news here. It says FEG token is focused on reshaping and evolving how decentralized finance with DeFi works, while delivering the most robust ecosystem ever designed to support DeFi's much needed advancements. So FEG token has a current market capitalization of $536 million. FEG is the first cryptocurrency to become an official sponsor of PASA. The organization welcomes inquiries from other crypto projects, so it's also helping them out there. And PASA member sanctuaries rescue, rehabilitate, and provide long-term care for over 3,000 gray apes and monkeys. In 2020, they rescued over 250 primates, and there's a lot of poachers out there for primates and stuff, and they're not too heavily protected by people. So it's definitely good that we actually have PASA on here doing it, and it's definitely good that we have FEG token now supporting them by donating $1.1 million inside of FEG token, right? So over here you can see they said the market cap 583 million, but that was like 3 weeks ago or 2 weeks ago. So the market cap's now at 295 million. That's what CoinGecko is saying, and I think CoinGecko is actually right on that, because it says it over here too. So you can come and look at it, the whole thing over here. And daily volume, $2.2 million for the daily volume over here. And then yeah, you can see the total market cap now is 703 million. So yeah, CoinGecko is actually off on that. But yeah, this is where it's at. And actually, I was doing a little technical on here, so I'm gonna do a little technical for you guys. We are inside of a consolidation period with FEG token. If you're thinking about buying it, what happens with these consolidation periods is we just kind of consolidate, if you know what I mean. You know, it's a wedge, right? So it goes down on the wedge, and right here we're trickling down right here to the end of it, which means we're probably about to break out of it. As you can see, we're starting to get these green candlesticks, which means we're probably about to break out of this consolidation and go on an uptrend. So pretty much, yeah, the consolidation is the consolidation between the uptrend and the downtrend. What is it going to do? Go up or down? It's going to decide at the end of the consolidation. So let's just watch to see what that happens with that. I'm pretty sure it'll go up on the consolidation, because even looking over here at the full chart on CoinGecko, even in the last 14 days, we've been doing pretty good, but the last 24 hours have been pretty red for it. But either way, this is going to grow over time because they have actual fundamentals that are actually going to help them out. So let's read this. Combined market cap between the Ethereum FEG token and the Binance Smart Chain FEG token is $618 million. I just look at the Ethereum one, but they're pretty much the same thing, but combined they're $618 million market cap. Pretty good right there. But I don't know when the last time this was updated, because we just now seen over here on the actual chart, it says the actual market cap, total market cap, 705 million. So that's the total between both Ethereum and the Binance one. So that is what we're seeing there. And then look over here, FEG token is redesigning the way decentralized finance is structured. We just now read that FEG token is focused on reshaping and evolving how DeFi works completely while delivering the most robust ecosystem ever designed for DeFi. You know, a lot of different cryptos say this. You know, SafeMoon kind of says the same thing, and you know, Shiba Inu is kind of based on the same thing. So I'm not saying that they're not trying to do that, but every single crypto is trying to do this. They're trying to, you know, be the first to redesign the whole DeFi. You know, they're trying to set another trend like how Bitcoin did. So this is their goal. They're trying to become, you know, one of the top dogs right here. So over here you can see that how much was burnt. So the max supply is 100 quadrillion, but they burnt 58 quadrillion, and there's 41 quadrillion circulating. That's a lot. That's still a lot. It is, but it is that they do have a lot burnt. So they did burn a lot. 100 quadrillion is a lot, but they burnt a lot of it. And you know, Shiba Inu was kind of the same way, but Shiba Inu didn't have that much. But anyway, they burnt a lot of it, and it's very, 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 very cheap. So that's why it is that price. You have to think 0.00000, can't even say all the zeros, the 10 millionth place. Let's just say that. So that is pretty much what it's at right there. So that is a really cheap price, meaning you can get billions of this with like $1,000 or something like that. I don't know how much exactly, but you can get a lot of money or a lot of tokens with a little bit amount of money. So then when it goes up to the moon, you see really big prices. So over here, they actually fully describe what FEG token is and how they have created it. So it says FEG token is a hyper deflationary DeFi token built to succeed. So the main idea behind FEG token is to provide a decentralized transaction network which operates on an Ethereum blockchain scale, and the Ethereum blockchain ERC20 and the Binance Smart Chain BEP20. The path forward for FEG token is determined by the market fluctuations, but the model it runs on begs FEG token to succeed. So FEG token is a hyper-deflationary token with a maximum circulating supply of 100 quadrillion on both of the Ethereum blockchain and the Binance Smart blockchain. That involves an accessible burn wallet that they've already burnt, 58 million, or not 58 million, but 58 quadrillion to both. They already burnt that much. So depending on each holder's percentage of ownership, a 2% transaction fee or transaction tax is distributed amongst all holders, just like kind of with SafeMoon. It's distributed to all holders. This includes the burn wallet, which is essentially a holder that collects more tokens over time as transactions occur. As the circulating supply decreases, the scarcity of the token increases. So this an inversely proportional relationship constitutes a supply and demand model. There is no limit as to how many tokens can be burnt. Without a burning limit, holders get to enjoy a never-ending cycle of passive income with positive price pressures. That is a really big statement right there, and it's the same thing kind of with SafeMoon. So pretty much they have a burn wallet, they've already burnt so much to it, but there's a transaction fee, not transaction fee, but transaction tax. So 2% transaction tax, every time someone sells, 2% is sent to every single holder. So 2% is pretty much like staking your crypto. So 2% is sent to every single holder after every single transaction. That's pretty much what it is. They're taxing you 2% every time you sell, and everyone gets it, even the burn wallet. So the burn wallet will get it over time, and it'll never be able to be accessible. So 2%, you got to think, is being burnt every time someone makes a transaction. So this is going to make it inside scarcity. That's why they made it 100 quadrillion, because they knew they're going to burn so many different tokens. That means that the people who start at the beginning and they hold for a while become the actual millionaires and the billionaires because they've held for such a long time. So they're really creating millionaires and billionaires like in the future, pretty much. Like 5 years down the line, people who buy a lot of this type of token. The same thing with SafeMoon, same thing with Shiba Inu. When you buy these type of tokens, you really hold it for like at least 5 years, and then watch you just become a millionaire if you put enough money in. You're not going to put $10 in and become a millionaire off it. Not going to happen. But if over time you keep putting $1,000 in, like every month or every other month or something like that, every year you have like a new 5,000 in it. Remember, you're getting these 2% transaction taxes every single month. Every single month you're getting that in. So it's like staking your cryptos, right? So you're gonna get a lot of money off this. So I definitely am gonna continue to check out this and continue to see what else we need to talk about with it, because I need to do more research on this myself, because I also want to invest into it, and I'm going to be putting money into it. So I'm going to do a whole nother video on how you can purchase it, and then how much I actually purchase of it. And then let's just keep going with this, right? So decentralized FEG token is fully decentralized, blah, blah, blah. Everything's fully decentralized now. So there is no one main owner of the token. All decisions are made in the community's favor. So it's kind of the same thing with, different things like SafeMoon, like I was saying. So burn rate, each transaction triggers a burn rate of 1%, which decreases the circulating supply. We already read about that. And the rewards, FEG token rewards its holders with a 1% tax on each transaction to punish weak hands. So yeah, there you go. They're punishing the paper hands. So further development, FEG token's vision is to advance further into the cryptocurrency and DeFi spaces by releasing innovative projects or products which will ensure the sustainability of the token. So they're going to have some actual use cases, what they're pretty much saying. So 100% public listing liquidity. So 100% public listing liquidity. And over here, everything that you can see, everything they've done, everything they plan to do, and everything that's in current, right? So they already have design and creation done, Uniswap listing done. They have all this stuff done, marketing team initiates done. You can see their Twitter here has 183,000 people who are following it. That's a lot. And further ecosystem development done. FEG track listing done on Google Play. So FEGX beta done. So there's a lot of different things that they have done here. The current things that they have going on now is the FEGX auto add pairs functionality, the FEGX direct swap functionality to actually directly swap it. So the FEGX smart swap and the FEGX to be smart DeFi ready, and the FEGX FWrap implementation, FEG shop v2, FEG stats, FEG charts, and then they have their future projections. They're gonna have the FEGX trading pair listings. So the first smart DeFi tokens launch, which is kind of tied over here, and then FEG track v2, FEG stake v2. They have FEGX CEX DEX, whatever you want to call it, bridge, and then they have FEG Central. I hate all these different FEG names. Why do they have to do all of it? Everything FEG is too much. It's too much. It's a tongue twister saying all those. But yeah, they have all these different things about to happen. So they're having a lot of different things that they're working on here. And honestly, I'm definitely pretty excited to learn more about this. And I'm gonna let you know and fill you in on how much I buy and when I buy. But I'm definitely looking on getting in on this. I'm just gonna have to do some more research on it, and then I'll come back with more and more videos when I get some more knowledge on this. But right, they are saying that they had some bugs and they're trying to get current stuff out. So they said we are in the final stretches. We had one little bug that was a needle in a haystack we found when testing the migration that just got fixed. Thank you for the patience, blah blah blah. And also something that you want to think about, I actually like what they said here. They said, imagine this, you buy FEG, it's worth 5k, so you stake it on FEGX v2.0, and then your stake rewards are 300% APY. I mean, that's outrageous. I don't know if it's really going to be 300% APY, but this is what they're saying, 300% APY. You collect over $1,000 a month. You ponder your FEG. Your family needs 2k a month. You're going to buy more FEG. Your FEG is now worth times 3. So this is pretty much what they're saying. Easier said than done. But I see what they're saying here, because if you have so many different FEG tokens, you're getting pretty much that 1% for the whole, all those transactions that are happening, all the people, all the paper hands that are selling. You're getting that 1%. 2%, 2% transaction fee, or the transaction tax. When they get taxed, it comes to you, and then you get it. So honestly, let's see what happens with that. It's kind of the same thing with SafeMoon. Whenever people sell, that 2% transaction fee goes to you and all the other holders. So they're saying this is pretty much how it's gonna happen. I want to see exactly how it looks in the future, because I'm definitely curious with this. But yeah, a lot of different stuff going on with here. They said one more thing, liquidity update. During our current rollout of FEGX 2.0 right now, we will be moving our liquidity out of PancakeSwap V1. Roughly 31% will be moved to PancakeSwap V2, and roughly 69% will be moved into FEGX and FUSDT for FEG and FUSDT pair. So they're pairing with USDT, pretty much what they're saying, and they'd rather have more different stuff. It's kind of funny how they do a whole play on FedEx, because look at how they have that their FedEx get it, and they have the same, not the same color scheme, but the one side of the FedEx is purple, the other side is white. Theirs is yellow and white. So yeah, they're kind of doing a whole play off of that, whole spin off that. And another upgrade, they're talking about the upgrade of FEG to V 2.0 is in progress. All tabs apart from stake will be locked until the migration is complete. And they just now said over here, we are in the final stretches. They're still testing it, and they just got one of the things fixed. So they're still testing it, about to release it. This is about to be crazy. FEG 2.0 is coming out, so definitely watch out for that. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Definitely do your own due diligence, and I will come back with some more due diligence once I learn more about this, and then once I actually decide to put money in yet. Because remember, I have not put any money in yet, and I definitely think it's going to be worth it to put money in, because we are in a consolidation period. So this is the exact kind of time that you really want to be getting in at, because we're probably about to go up in the near future. Yeah, I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. But definitely check out the link in the description for Robinhood and Webull, and deposit $100 in there, and you will get free stocks. So that is free money right there. You can put it in Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, whatever you want to put it in. Get that free money. And definitely check out Voyager and get the free money there, and that will help you out. And I'll be back with another video. Peace.